surreal to be seeing Egypt right outside the window. This is where I'm from, where my roots are.
أنا بحبك.
Out here on the pyramid. This was the entrance to the Pharaoh's house, and he made it so small so that no one could get in without him hearing them coming, is what I think. Did you know that they tried to bring camels to the US in the American Civil War, but it didn't work out very well? Wrap on the boat. Happy birthday, Nico. At the Muhammad Ali Mosque in the Citadel, which is built to honor Muhammad Ali whenever he won that really big fight with the Rumble in the Jungle or whatever. That was even him. But they built this because they were really excited about the boxing, and I think they built it in like 2014. Try to cross this street now. The cars never stop. It's the hanging church. We're being shown hospitality in Tarek's shop, and being robbed blind in the process. Top Gun in Egypt, Top Gun Egyptian version, thoughts?
Very cheesy. Intermission.
But no.
They had an intermission, they just cut it out.
I think 9 out of 10.
They just cut out the sex scene, and then they turned on the lights in the middle of the movie, and the guys in front is like, if you break that, it's a break. It was good. So for the last day in Cairo, we've done the city, we've been in a hostel the whole time. and I had enough Marriott Bonvoy points, only 20,000 per night, which is super cheap, to get a room here at the Marriott Mina House, right by the pyramids. And because I'm Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite, we were upgraded to a room with a pyramid view. We booked the cheapest room, upgraded to a pyramid view. We were swimming in the pool earlier today. Gonna go get dinner at one of like the 3 restaurants that they have here. This is a very relaxing way to end the Egypt stretch, a vacation within a vacation, if you will.